I'll repeat it because I often have had to hear in the past things repeated by Councillor Blackie. It is quite simple and straightforward. There are people in Richmondshire who will not use any of these services. They have not a lot of money. They can do everything they want to try and to manage to keep their head above water, as my father would always say, and to manage their finances. And they can, and I'll say this, they can cut the heating down, they can put a coat on, they can boil a kettle and put it in a flask so the kettle isn't boiled, so the electric isn't used. There's a load of things that they can do to keep their income down, the amount of income they've got that they can keep, and to keep their head above water. It's a saying of my father's, and I think it's spot on. So by actually aiming, and I've always said the name aiming, the fact that I aim to try and keep the council tax at 0%, I do it for one reason: for those individuals. Everything we have in front of us now is something that we actually ask for, that we actually ask to have. Ask for green waste bins. After all, I know there's people that are in that garden waste business, but the bottom line is that Sean Little, many years ago, would say to you, get a compost heap. You buy one of them and you do it, and that's what you need to do. You don't even need a green waste bin. That is a service that you ask for. Pest control is a service you ask for. And believe it or not, it is possible that you can sometimes sort the nice problem out yourself. But I agree that I do think, and I know some people maybe think differently, but I do believe that having the good pest control service we have here is correct. I think they're actually excellent people, and I think they come out regularly, and considering that they will come and come and come till that service is, what else could you get for what, £50-some a call out? What else could you get where they'd come 3 times to your house? Nothing else. You've got a plumber, he wouldn't come 3 times for that. So I'm sorry, I'm saying quite clearly now that aiming for 0% is the right way, because every single resident benefits from the children, because the parents haven't had the increase. No matter who you are, what you are, you actually have a benefit from keeping that aim at 0%. And you have no surprises. Councillor Blackie or Stewart has no surprises, because I said this 4 years ago, 3 years ago and 2 years ago, and I will continue to say it is an aim, because in 3 weeks' time we're going to hear what George Osborne has to say. But like the very good council we have here and the good officers we have, we are looking very closely at it, and I'm absolutely behind this, because these are services that we ask the council for. So I'd like to go now to the vote.